Hitec Welding is one of Australia's leading steel fabrication companies. We offer a wide range of services through our in-house team and specialize in high-pressure pipeline fabrication. In this presentation, we will provide a brief introduction about the company, its facilities and all high-end-of-the-line equipment, our capabilities, quality system. This presentation will also summarize the major projects we've done and currently fabricating. Hitec Welding, founded in 1995, is a privately owned and operated Australian company based in Pinkenba, Queensland, which has been directly involved in the design, manufacture and installation of high-pressure piping in vessels, structural steel work, FAT and integrated factory acceptance test, IFAT, of electrical and instrumentation and on-site installation. Hitec Welding is now one of Queensland's leading specialist contractors. We have designed and constructed purpose-built manufacturing facilities and has plans to triplicate the workshop in the near future. The current site facilities include covered area of some 8,000 square meters and approximately 22,000 square meters uncovered laydown area. Our workshop is located in 87 Main Beach Road, Pinkenba, Queensland, Australia. Hitec Welding offers outstanding fabrication facilities utilizing stringent in-house quality assurance and control systems, achieving customer satisfaction through continuous improvement of systems, safety, environment, on-time delivery, on budget, and a service second to none. The workshop facility was fitted with two 12 meters wide by 8 meters high roller doors and in addition another 5 roller doors, 6 meters wide by 6 meters high, were also installed. The workshop was fitted with 2 overhead cranes with a combined lifting capacity of 15 mt. In addition to the overhead cranes, each welding and fitting bay has been fitted with individual cranes with a safe workload limit of 500 kilograms at maximum reach. Hitec Welding utilizes a large amount of its capital expenditure to invest in a large variety of equipment and continuous development of its facility to maximize production efficiencies and throughput. As a result, we are able to offer unmatched service, speed and quality to our clients. Hitec Welding equipment includes the latest technologically advanced welding equipment, Lincoln STT Power Wave dual header welders, which are combined with pipe rotators to increase productivity and diameter inch weld output. In addition to typical PPE used in a steel fabrication facility, Hitec Welding go above and beyond to equip and protect its welders with the award-winning IDFlow-powered air purifying respirator in conjunction with the 3M Speedglass flip-up auto darkening welding helmet. Hitec Welding has further established itself as a leader in manufacture of mechanical piping in vessels by jointly working with ISQ, Inspection Services Queensland. ISQ is permanently based at the Hitec Welding facility, allowing for efficient, economical and quick turnaround of non-destructive testing services. The Hitec Welding purpose-built production facility provides for endless opportunities with respect to manufacture of modulated skid, structural, vessel and associated pressure piping equipment. The facility is uniquely designed with individual bay overhead gantry cranes allowing for safe and efficient lifting per fitting and welding bay. Hitec Welding is focused on further developing this facility and incorporating a surface treatment facility, making it a one-stop shop for all associated manufacturing requirements. Hitec Welding currently provides complete turnkey and EPC, engineering, procurement and construction services to the oil and gas sector. Hitec Welding take pride and enjoyment in its ability to deliver services safely and efficiently, continuously working with clients and providing engineering solutions that are economical and are in accordance to project specifications, Australian and international standards. Hitec Welding utilizes the latest version of AutoCAD Plant 2D and 3D for all design and detail drafting requirements. We also specializes on the design, engineering, calculation and drafting of electrical, instrumentation and control panels on the skids. Services inclusive of the following: cable sizing calculation, electrical load calculation, loop and wiring diagram, schematic and block diagram, single line diagram, cable ladder layout, earthing philosophy, layout, panel general arrangement drawing, FAT and IFAT procedures. Hitec Welding continues to develop and improve work practices and processes. We have established supplier chains and systems that allow for safe, efficient and effective management of projects through the workshop facility. Hitec Welding continues to look at market developments with regards to new technologies and seize on opportunities in aid of providing our clients the most cost-effective service and products. All associated instrumentation and electrical requirements are catered for by Hitec Welding, and in addition factory acceptance testing is also provided for. The large Hitec Welding workshop and the newly built temporary shelter facilities allow for packages to be tested with ease. Mechanical packages are assembled and wired with all associated electrical and instrumentation components in readiness for factory acceptance testing of all packaged elements inclusive of generators, hydraulic power packs, MCCs, RDUs, solar panels and batteries, pressure transmitters, actuated valves, point-to-point testing and fluid circulation with associated pumps and motors. Hitec Welding provides a comprehensive installation service for manufactured products such as pipes, spools, vessels and structural components such as platforms, structures and stairs. All aspects of the installation services are covered from mobilization, execution and demobilization. Hitec Welding maintain ISO 9001-2008 certification and recently certified to Achilles FPS. All work carried out complies with the requirements of Australia's leading CSG producers, chemical manufacturers and resource organizations. We pay particular attention to our internal costs and operating procedures so that we may provide the most competitive proposals to our customers. We work closely with clients to minimize production and delivery costs and maximize fabrication throughput and schedule. Production planning and scheduling is maintained using the designed and purpose-built database Hitec FabTrack. This program is updated daily based on the work done on the previous day. The FabTrack program can generate drawing registers, job cover sheet, project weld quantity summary, RT welder rates, weekly progress report, NDE request, hydrostatic record sheet, loading sheet to painter, delivery note to client and quality assurance records. The IDP includes the step-by-step activities to be carried out and listed in chronological order, taking into consideration the design, procurement, production, manufacture, construction and testing, through to final acceptance, certification, packing, SQS release and delivery. Our IDPs incorporates all quality activities pertaining to the quality and certification requirements, including activities carried out by subsuppliers and subcontractors as per project specification and reference drawing requirements. Our workshop quality control utilizes spool color coding to monitor the status and which is priority. Welding inspectors provide intensive checking, visual inspection, recording and monitoring to ensure everything is good and precise. Hitec welding procedures are in accordance with applicable specifications and standards and have all been used successfully on all Hitec projects. Hitec Welding respond to challenges by stepping back in aid of identifying the best possible solutions. This includes design, adopting new technology and ensuring that the correct equipment is utilized. The management recognizes that it is responsible for the safety and welfare of its personnel in the workplace and is therefore aware of the importance of an ongoing commitment to active participation in a declared safety program. Hitec Welding ensures that proper procedures and planning in receiving materials, inspection, storage and preservation and delivery or transportation of materials is correct and in order. Hitec continues to service various industries providing quality and exceptional service. Our current and previous clients include Santos GLNG, Transfield Services, Cultex Refinery Octiti. Hitec Welding is also involved in the design process, providing input to minimize design complexity and a reduction of fabrication and assembly cost. Hitec Welding has performed D&I installation and fat testing on various separators, metering, discharge, inlet skids, gathering pump station skids, integrated separator skids and two-pipe skids. Way back 2006, Hitec have fabricated, supplied and installed equipment and piping spools for BP plant located in Pinkenba, Queensland. In 2009, Hitec have fabricated, supplied and installed equipment and skids from underground pipeline to power station for Transfield Services. In 2010, Hitec has been awarded the Santos gathering pump skids. The scope of work includes detailed design, engineering, drafting, fabrication, installation and D&I testing. Hitec fabricated and installed high-pressure shutdown skids for Santos in 2011. From 2011 up to 2015, Hitec has designed, fabricated and tested low-point drains, gas risers and transition spools in 316 liters stainless for Santos GLNG. The first project was completed in late 2012 and over 3,000 stainless steel spool pieces were dispatched. The second project was completed in mid-2015. Santos also awarded to Hitec to do the design, engineering and fabrication of HCS flare knockout and closed drain drum vessel skids, with the vessel alone being 15 meters long and with 3.6 meters diameter. Hitec has also fabricated wellhead and pressure reduction skids in 2012 for Santos Roma underground storage. High pressure, 900 to 1,500 pounds, piping spools with heavy valves from all assembled to achieve 10 to 25-ton skids. Hydraulic torquing equipment was used for bolting of flanges. In 2013, Hitec has fabricated, supplied and installed piping spools for BOC. In 2012, After an extensive tendering process, Hitec Welding has been awarded a multi-year contract for the supply of the following coal seam gas surface production equipment: 267 inlet metering skids including electrical and instrumentation installation of rotork actuators, multi-variable transmitters, flow elements, and junction boxes. Associated project works commenced late 2012 and was completed by mid-2014. In 2014, Hitec Welding has completed fabrication and assembly for MPC and QGC6 off DN650, DN500 and DN400 pig launchers and receivers. The skid's dimension is 14.6 meters by 3.0 meters and skid weight ranges from 20 to 25 tons. In the same year, Hitec fabricated Santos CS3 metering skid and off-skid piping. High-pressure piping spools with heavy valves were installed on skid. Pre-assembly of skid and off-skid piping was done at site. On the third quarter of 2014, Hitec has been awarded to fabricate Santos Fairview infill multi-well pad skids, which includes separator skids, metering skids, pipe module skids and off-skid piping. Hitec also designed and fabricated the Warrenilla 6 knockout drum, lease piping and structural supports for Santos, which includes the registration of the design and registration of the vessel. In late 2014 to early 2015, Hitec has also fabricated 2 Scotia separator skids, including the E&I installation and IFAT of the skids. After tendering for almost 1.5 years, Santos and Flu were awarded to Hitec in mid-2014 the fabrication, assembly and testing of the skids comprising 28 Roma skids and 2 Fairview skids. Scope of work includes turnkey solution for the whole package with detailed engineering and design, fabrication of the piping spools and structural skids up to installation, wiring and testing of electrical and instrumentation. In mid-2015, Santos again awarded to Hitec the fabrication, assembly and testing of RDPP, Rapid Deployment Production Package, skids. After the success of the first batch of Roma West Phase 2A skids, Santos awarded to Hitec, on the first quarter 2015, the supply and fabrication of the remaining 53 Roma integrated skids. The project was completed on the last quarter of 2015. On the third quarter of 2015, Santos again awarded to Hitec the fabrication, assembly, installation, wiring and testing for the lean skid integrated separator skids, lean multi-skids and 2 pipe skids. This project comprised of 238 skids. The project scheduled completion date is October 2016, but Hitec did finish the project almost 3 months earlier. The 2-pipe skid consists of mechanical, piping, instrument and electrical equipment. Hitec fabricated and assembled these skids on time. All tests and inspection were done without any problem. Lean multi-skids are composed of separator skids, metering skids, electrical skids, pipe modules and off-skid piping. There are 3 different types of multi-skids. First is the Type 2 skids. This package consists of the following. 1 electrical skid which comprised of MCC panel, RTU panel and 2 VSD panels. 1 separator skid. 2 metering skids, and 1 Type 1 pipe module. Then we have the Type 3 multi-skids comprised of 1 electrical skid with 1 MCC panel, 1 RDU panel and 3 VSD panels, 1 separator skid and off-skid piping, 3 metering skids and off-skid piping, 1 Type 1 pipe module, 1 Type 2 pipe module. And last but not the least, the Type 4 multi-skids comprising of 1 electrical skid with 1 MCC panel, 1 RDU panel and 4 VSD panels, 1 separator skid and off-skid piping, 4 metering skids and off-skid piping, 1 Type 1 pipe module, 1 Type 2 pipe module, 1 Type 3 pipe module. Hitec Welding enters the industry with a strong portfolio of works and the continuation of established contracts. Our vision: to be the industry leader for Australia in the supply of engineering and design, manufacturing, maintenance and on-site installation services for the mining, refinery and coal seam gas industries. Our mission: continue to provide safe, efficient and effective services to the mining, refinery and coal seam gas industries, adopting new technologies, continuous improvement and providing a quality service. Our values: Hitec Welding's values are the guiding principles that define how we conduct our business. These values are the basis of Hitec Welding's commitment to being the industry leader for Australia. The focus on completing services safely and of the highest quality will remain our priority. Feel free to contact us to see how Hitec Welding can help with your next project.